Hey everyone, welcome back to another video of Steering with Ahmed 007. So, today we are going to be talking about something really important, that is, how to handle emergency situations while driving. Accidents can happen to anyone, so it's essential to know what to do when they do happen. So, let's get started. First up is a tire blowout. If you hear a loud bang and feel your car pulling to one side, you might have a flat tire. So here's what to do. Firstly, stay calm. Don't panic at all. Keep a firm grip on the steering wheel. Second, ease off the gas. Slowly take your foot off the gas pedal. Third, don't slam on the brakes. Avoid hard braking as this can cause you to lose control. Fourth, steer to safety. Look for a safe place to pull over, like a shoulder or a parking lot. Fifth, once you are safely stopped, turn on your hazard lights. Next is engine overheating. If your temperature gauge rises into the red zone, here's what to do. First, pull over safely. Find a safe spot to stop. Second, turn off the engine. Once you have parked, turn off the engine to let it cool down. Third, don't open the hood immediately. Wait for the steam to subside before opening the hood to avoid burns. Fourth, check the coolant levels. If it's low, you may need to add more. Now, let's talk about brake failure. If your brakes stop working, what should you do? First, you must stay calm. Again, don't panic and stay focused on the road. Second, pump the brakes. Try pumping the brake pedal to build up pressure. Third, downshift. If you are driving a manual, downshift to a lower gear, and in an automatic, shift to low or L. Fourth, use the emergency brake. If needed, gently pull the emergency brake to slow down. Look for an escape route. Look for a safe area to steer into, like a wide shoulder or open space. Finally, if you're in an accident, what should you do? Firstly, check for injuries. Check yourself and your passengers for injuries. Second, move to safety. If it's safe, move your vehicle to the side of the road. Third, call for help. Call emergency services and report the accident. Fourth, exchange information. Exchange insurance and contact information with the other driver. Finally, document the scene. Take photos of the damage and get witness statements if possible. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more driving tips.